Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee started, don't remember much. All I know is that.
Hi guys! Welcome back again with me in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to make sweet and silky caramel pudding. This pudding is popular in Japan and the pudding is made through steam or oven process. Because I don't have an oven and through steam process is too risky, so I'll make the pudding with the help of jelly powder to set the pudding. So are you curious how to make it? Keep watching this video until the end and you will get the recipe. Let's get started! Before we start to make sweet and silky caramel pudding, we must prepare the ingredients and also the equipments. The ingredients that we need are milk, jelly powder, plain agar powder, 150 grams of sugar for making the pudding, warm water, 100 grams of sugar for making the caramel, 2 egg yolks, and vanilla powder. And for the equipments that we need are non-stick pan for making the caramel, pan for making the pudding, plate for serve the pudding, cups as container of the pudding, spatula for stirrer, fork for beat the egg yolk, teaspoon and tablespoon as measuring spoon, soup spoon for put the pudding into the cups. Let's make it! First of all, we must make the caramel first. The first step is prepare cups around 10 cups. I use a cup size of 120 milliliters. Pour 100 grams of sugar into the pan and then turn on the stove into medium heat. Cook the sugar until it's melted. Shake the pan until the sugar is melted. Stir it brightly. Pour 65 milliliters of warm water. Stir it until the sugar is dissolved with the water. After the sugar is dissolved with the water, turn off the stove. Pour the caramel into the cups, around 1 tablespoon.
Few minutes later.
Shake the cups to make the caramel spread. After the caramel is done, we continue to make the pudding. Pour 1 sachet jelly powder into the pan. And add 1 tablespoon of agar powder. And pour 150 grams of sugar into the pan. Stir it until well blended. Pour 1 liter of milk. into the pan. Pour the rest of milk into the bowl. Beat the egg yolk together with the milk. And then pour it into the pan. And add half teaspoon of vanilla powder. Stir it until well blended. Turn on the stove into medium heat and stir the pudding until the pudding is boiled.
Few minutes later.
After the pudding is boiled, turn off the stove. After that, stir continuously until hot steam reduces. Pour the pudding into the cup.
Few minutes later.
Let the pudding cool in room temperature. The next step is cover the pudding.
Few minutes later.
Chill the pudding in the refrigerator. The last step is serve the pudding on the plate. Tada! Sweet and silky caramel pudding is ready to serve.
I'm just a play date to you. Wake up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say.
That's all about my video. I hope you can try this recipe at home and give me your result on the comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.